From many days we are discussing about Demat account and trading account. We have already made a video about what is a Demat account. Today in this video we are going to discuss the rest, that is about a trading account. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So what is a trading account? Well, trading account is a platform from which you can buy or sell shares and securities. A trading account can be made through your bank account when it is linked with it. Trading account helps the smoothing of functioning of buying and selling shares. Just like what is a fixed deposit to a bank, your shares and securities are to a trading account. Now, who gives you a trading account? Well, you can easily open a trading account through a stockbroker such as HDFC Securities, Motilal Oswal, and last but not the least, that is the Nirmal Bang. We have already made a video of how low cost the brokerage in Nirmal Bang is, so do check that video also. So like that, you can easily open a trading account. Now we are going to talk about how a trading account works. Well, as I've already mentioned, trading accounts functions in the buying and selling of shares. Your trading account is always linked with your individual bank account from where you can get the cash to buy or sell shares. An individual can have multiple trading accounts which they can use for instant trading, that is known as intraday, or for long time trading which is known as delivery, and so on. Thus, by this way, you can easily have multiple trading accounts. Now that we have known the basics of a trading account, now let us know how to open a trading account. Well, that is easy. First of all, choose a stockbroker as of your choice. I will personally recommend you Nirmal Bang because of the brokerage cost, which is the least, that is 0.03 and 0.3 respective of intraday and delivery. Now, how to open it? First of all, as I have already mentioned, you have to select a stockbroker. Now you need to contact the stockbroker. You need to give all your information along with the documents which are Aadhaar card and PAN card. After that, you will have your KYC, that is know your client feature. After all of these things are done, your trading account will be opened within a range of 3 days. Now I will discuss about what are the things that you must know before opening a trading account. Well, first of all, it is pricing. Some of the brokerage firms charge you a lot for opening just a trading account. Most of the cases they charge a rate of 500 to 700. But in a few of them, just like Nirmal Bang and so on, they will open the trading account of you free of cost. The next is discount. When you trade a lot or having a higher amount of trading, many of the trading firms give you a discount. Last is service breadth. Now, what is service breadth? It is about how the services are provided to you, how flexible it is, and how easily you can buy or sell shares in that stockbroker. So these three are the main important points you must know to open a trading account of your respective stockbroker. Well, now the question arises whether you can open an online trading account or not. The answer is yes, you can open an online trading account. Just like a Demat account, you can open an online trading account. You don't have to do anything different from what you have done with your Demat account because the procedure is just the same. You don't have to apply for another thing to open your trading account. Once you have applied for your Demat account and trading account will be made. Now, let us discuss which is better, online trading or offline trading. Offline trading, you need to call your stockbroker or you need to visit them physically and do your share market works. While you are online, you can easily have a track on the shares you are watching and you can easily buy or sell. Personally, I am saying you it's always better of doing share market online. Why? Because if you are trading online, you can see the price, you can see the fluctuations, you can easily and immediate buy or sell a share. Whereas if you do it offline, what happens is, suppose you have seen the price of a share is 60. The time you need to contact your stockbroker via call or visit them, it falls down to 58 or so. Thus, the best recommendation is you need to do trading online so that you can get more amount of profit at a particular time and you don't have to do any other headaches. So that's it for this video. I hope you have gained a complete knowledge about what a trading account is. If no, or if you have a question, then comment down below. And we have a Facebook group and a WhatsApp group related to all this share market and stocks. Also, we have a page on Instagram, so do follow it and join our groups, which I mentioned already through the links given below. Like this video if you have enjoyed it, vote it down if you did, and for more such amazing videos, do subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon so that you get notified about each and every video uploaded on this channel. Thanks for watching. Till next time, this is Somajit signing off from SS Productions. You have a great day.